Hello viewers. Recent There is a new gaming motherboard that's from Gigabyte Z490 Aorus Extreme Water Force. This mainboard with the system to CPU suffer a 10th generation Intel Core i9 processor, Intel Register Core i7 processor, Intel Core i5 processor, Intel Core Trademark i3 processor. That's the 10th generation motherboard. Go to the Gigabyte's website for the latest CPU support list. L3 cache varies with CPU. Chipset. The mainboard has Intel Z490 Express chipset. Memory Intel Core i9, Core i7 processor. Intel Core i5, Intel i3 Pentium Celeron processor supported for DDR4 memory. 4 DDR4 DIMM socket supporting up to 128 GB, 32 GB single DIMM capacity of system memory. Dual channel memory architecture, support for ECC, unbuffered DIMM, 1 memory module. Support for non-eCC unbuffered DIMM. Onboard graphics, integrated graphics processor plus Intel registered Thunderbolt 3 controller. 2 Intel registered Thunderbolt 3 connectors, USB Type-C ports, supporting display ports and Thunderbolt trademark video outputs, and a maximum resolution of 24 bpp. Integrated graphics processor, Intel HD graphics supported. 1 HDMI port supporting a maximum resolution of 4096 into 2160 at the rate 30Hz. Maximum shared memory of 512 megabyte. Audio Realtek is ALC 1220 VB codec. High definition audio. LAN 1 Acontia 10 GB LAN chip, 1 Intel 2.5 GB LAN chip. Wireless communication module. The motherboard inbuilt Intel Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1. Expansion salt. 1 PCI Express Solo salt, 1 PCI Express 16 salt running at 16, 1 PCI Express 16 salt, 1 PCI Express 16 salt running at 4 PCIe 4 into 4. Multi-graphics technologies support NVIDIA Quad GPU SLI, support AMD Quad GPU Crossfire. Stores interface 1 M2 connector, 2 SSD support, 1 M2 connector socket 3, 1 M2 connector socket 3 M key type 2242/2280/2280/22110, 6 into SATA 6 GBs connectors. Support for RAID 0, RAID 1, RAID 5 and RAID 10. Intel register Optane trademark memory ready. USB chipset plus Intel Thunderbolt 3 controller. 2 USB Type-C port on the back panel with USB 3.2 Gen 2 support. Chipset 1 USB Type-C port with USB 3.2 Gen 2 support. Chipset USB 3.2 Gen 1 hub. Chipset 2 USB 2.0 hub. Internal connection 124-pin ATX main power connector, 2 into 8-pin ATX 12-volt power connector, 1 CPU fan header, 1 water cooling CPU fan header, 1 water cooling kit CPU LED header, 1 water cooling kit chipset. 2 system fan water cooling pump heaters, 4 system fan heaters, 1 noise detection heater. Internal connector, 2 addressable LED strip heaters, 2 RGB LED strip heaters, 6 SATA connectors, 3 M2 socket connectors, 1 front panel header, 1 front panel audio header, 1 USB Type-C, 1 USB 3.2 Gen 1 heater, 1 USB 2.0 heater, 2 temperature sensor heater, 1 power button, 1 reset button, 1 OC button, 2 BIOS switch, voltage measurement points, back panel connectors, 1 Q flash plus button, 1 clear CMOS button, 2 SMA antenna connectors, 2 Thunderbolt connectors, 4 USB 3.2, 2 USB 3.2, 2 USB 2.0, 1 HDMI ports, 2 RJ45 ports, 1 optical connector, 5 audio jack, I/O controller, ITE I/O controller chip, hardware monitor, voltage detection, temperature detection, fan speed detection, water cooling flow rate detection, overheating warning, fan fail warning, fan speed control, BIOS to 256 Mbit flash, use of license AMI UEFI BIOS, supported for dual BIOS trademark, PNP 1.08, DMI 2.7, WFM 2.0, SM BIOS 2.7, SCPI 5.0. Unique features: support for App Center, BIOS Easy Tune, Fast Boot, Game Boost, RGB Fusion, Smart Backup, System Information Viewer, USB Turbocharging, support for Q Flash Plus, support for Q Flash, support for Express Install, bundled software with this main board, Norton Internet Security OEM version, CFOS Speed X Split Game Caster Plus Broadcaster 12-month license. Operating system support for Windows 10 64-bit, form factor EATX, form factor 30.5 cm into 27.1 centimeter. Gigabyte reserve the right to make any change to the product specification and product related information without prior notice. If you want to install the CPU, look at the element case on the main board, CPU socket, and notice the CPU. LGA 1200 CPU socket that support all type of 1200 CPU. This motherboard has a water cooling kit. You need to carefully install it to the motherboard for the best performance. The motherboard have 4 ports for DDR4 motherboards. DDR4 RAM. Sorry, that's my mistake. Okay, viewers, if you want to experience the high quality Aorus Extreme Waterforce main board, so go to your nearest Gigabyte shop and enjoy your life and happy computing.